2 years ago, we actually awarded a contract to Fletcher Construction to two things we are going to do. One thing is to augment the capacity of the treatment plant here. We put a duplicate name, so for contingency and to improve the hydro. So the board thought assets, but I think those are the two key elements.
So when was the work completed?
Last year, isn't it?
Yes.
Last year.
So after that, this is the first time board is coming?
Yes.
They are not properly compensated for the power they are generating, because right now what we are doing is we are storing water at Vaturu Dam and bringing the water at a very high pressure. That is our water we bring at very high pressure. They pay us only 60,000 hydropower generation. That has to be stopped to get more pressure for this generating power here, paying and put.
So is there any truth that this running of this dam there is additional cost? Is there any truth in it? There is additional cost to run this dam?
So that line where we keep new pipe.
We have to put the existing pipe there. We will go and connect there. The part of the
I'm here with my Water Authority board and also the team from Water Authority to visit the Vaturu Dam and the Nangandavan. And there is a master plan for 2013 and 2033. and within this program, there are programs for future demand. But I'm told, I've been informed this morning that middle of last year they have carried out the major works with out-of-state facilities so that we can have a satisfactory supply of water, piped water. But I'm also happy to learn from the team that they are also working towards areas where there is no piped water, and that is government's priority. And they have assured me that for 2016 and 2017 there are programs for water pipes in the rural areas where they don't have. It was my first experience, and I made a point to visit this area because there has been a lot of talks even during floods that there is a spillover, and we have been to this spillover area and we have been informed by the team as well how it operates. And there were some talks when there was flood in Nandi that there is a spillover, and that's why Nandi is flooded. I think what I have seen and what I have observed and what I have been told and explained, I have my doubts that there was any spillover. But having said that, there is a lot of works that needs to be done, and that is what this Fiji Face government will continue to do.
So we are currently going through a prolonged dry spell. Maybe you could also take this opportunity to ask the people to conserve water and use water sparingly.
Yeah, it's very important. It's everybody's responsibility, not for us only leaders or politicians to make this sort of awareness program. It's basically every citizen's responsibility to take care while we are going through this drought season. And as you all are aware that divisional commissioners, they are on ground with Water Authority team in also assessing the areas that needs emergency water supply, whereby we can assist them. So that program is still on.
I believe you will also visit other dams and see how the works have.
Yes, we have taken out today with the team to go along these areas, especially Lotoka as well. So after this, we're visiting Lotoka as well. Thank you.
We briefed actually the minister in the morning sometime back when we started compiling the master plans for Nandi and Latoka. It was quite evident that there was going to be a big deficit in water supply in the Nandi-Latoka area. So before even the master plans were sort of finalized, we started several initiatives. One is, of course, to augment the treatment plants that were given to Fletcher Construction, and as part of that, we also, there's a mains that runs from the dam to the Nagandu treatment plant. So we also tried to duplicate a part of that mains. We couldn't do the whole line, part of that main line. So that was about 2 years ago. We gave the contract. We finished it last year to Fletcher's. We gave the contract to Fletcher's. So the reason actually the visit is to see the work done, the work that was completed, just for the board also to come and observe the work that has been done. So that's really basically the reason we invited the minister also to come along and see the work done.
There has been quite a lot of work done in the past 2 years, and I believe there is also major structural upgrades in the next 2 years.
Yeah. So, the important thing was to complete the master plans, which we've done now. We finished it. ADB also has reviewed those master plans. So now the important thing is, as you know, Nandi-Latoka region is growing at a very frenetic pace. And the Momi development is coming up, several hotels coming up. So the challenge now is for the Water Authority to think ahead and to make sure the infrastructure is in place. So the future projects in the Nandi-Latoka area is trying to locate another water source. We've identified in Samito that will again supplement the water coming into the Nagandu treatment plant. Then of course trying to, as today it was explained to the minister, trying to sort of complete the duplication of this main line running from the dam to the treatment plant. So that will give redundancy as well. If the pipe, one of the pipes breaks down or something, we'll have another duplicate line, feeding water to the treatment plant. We are actually planning a contingency. We've asked the management to draw up a contingency plan. There's a lot of talk about the effects of El Nino and prolonged drought in these areas. So that's being compiled at the moment. But today we heard from the engineer in site of the Nagando treatment plant that today there are no cause of alarm, but we need to create awareness. So we started a program. It's going to be, I think, it's being implemented this month, where Water Authority will run a awareness program throughout the country in the major centers, educating the public about how important it is to conserve water.
Yeah, we are happy to be here with our Honourable Minister, Mr. Praveen Bala, Minister of Transport and Infrastructure, and our Chairman and Board of Directors and other officials from the Ministry to inspect the Waturu Dam and the Nagando treatment plant and the reticulation system. Basically, the idea of this special visit is to get a good understanding and also the review on ongoing works and the work that has taken place. So, as far as the Water Authority is concerned, we have developed a master plan for entire Nandi Latoka system for the next 20 years, how to address the water and wastewater issues in Nandi Latoka. So under this program, we have prioritized the upgrading of Waturu Nagando system, where we have improved hydraulic capacity from Waturu to Nagando, getting additional water up to Nagando. And Nagando, now we have improved the treatment capability. And we are happy to tell that at this point in time, we have expanded the capacity of Nagando treatment plant and improved the treatment efficiency, and we have reserved capacity of 6 megaliters per day, which we have reserved for new MOMI development that is coming up, and also the other development that is taking place in Nandi Latoka area. And we are assuring the public in Nandi Latoka that even with drought conditions, we will assure you good supply, and same time we expect the cooperation of the people to use water wisely, and we need to have that partnership where we will be efficiently using water and for the betterment of the people in the country. Thank you.